Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes and welcome once again to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. Today we're going to learn a classic rock song called Sympathy for the Devil. It was of course written by Mick Jagger and Keith Richards and performed by the Rolling Stones. Sympathy for the Devil was the leading track off of their 1968 album Beggar's Banquet. And even though this song didn't chart on the Billboard Hot 100, it's definitely become a cult classic over the last several decades. A must-have in your song repertoire to play. Now, before we get started, be sure to click the subscribe button, as I'm always trying to put up new content on a regular basis. In addition, if you like my guitar tutorials and covers, you may actually also like my original music, which can now be purchased or streamed from any one of your favorite online music providers. Simply look up Troy Hawes and you'll find my music there. Now, what we're going to do first is we're going to look at the chords that you're going to need to know for this great song. And then we'll review the chord progression. As always, I'm going to use a great backbeat from my Beat Buddy by Singular Sound. So if you want to learn a great song by the Rolling Stones, stick around. We're going to get started right now. Okay, before we get to the chords that you're going to need to know for this great song, a quick note. If you want to play along with me or play along with the album version from the Rolling Stones, you're going to need to place a capo on the 2nd fret using the chords that I'm about to show you. So it's standard tuning, capo on the 2nd fret. Let's have a look at these chords now. The first one that you're going to need to know is a D major. You're going to need to know a C add 9 or C chord. You're going to need to know a G chord. And finally, there's an A. That's it. Those 4 chords are going to get you all the way through this great song. Let's now have a closer look at the chord progressions. Okay, we're going to break this into basically 2 parts for you. Really, this song is only made up of verses and choruses. There's not really much in the way of a significant intro or outro or even a bridge to this song. So it makes it very, very simple. With that, let's now jump in and have a closer look at the verse.
I stuck around St. Petersburg when I saw it was time for a change. Killed the Tsar and his ministers. Anastasia screamed in vain. I rode a tank, held a general's rank when the blitzkrieg raged. The bodies sang.
Okay, and there it is. There's the verse. Now, let's break this down a little bit and show you a couple of things that I do here at the Acoustic Lounge when performing this particular song. You'll notice that I'm using more of a rhythm approach to it as opposed to a lead guitar type of thing. So one thing that I am doing to create that rhythm sound, that bass guitar sound that I'm trying to get out of it, is I'm palm muting. Now, for those of you that don't know what palm muting is, that's when you use this tissue of your hand here and you place it lightly over the strings when you strum the chord. Of course, it creates a muted effect, sounding something like this. And that's it. That's really what I do for the majority of this song. Now, you don't have to do that. You can simply strum the chords outright if you prefer. Maybe you're not even using the backbeat that I used. Strumming the chords is just fine. There's nothing wrong, of course, with doing that. As far as a strumming pattern is concerned, again, I always just follow the rhythm of the song. But if you want something to work with, while palm muting, I'm basically going down, 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 up, up, down, down. But of course, much faster. So let's speed it up a little bit. And that's really it. It changes slightly. There are a couple of parts when I go into the chorus where I actually just strum a chord outright, and you'll see that when we get into the chorus. But with that, that's basically how I play the verse. Let's now have a look at the chorus.
Pleased to meet you. Hope you guess my name. Oh, what's puzzling you is the nature of my game.
And there it is, the chorus. I play it slightly different than the verses. When I jump right into that A chord, I strum that chord outright, sounding something like this. Pleased to meet you. Hope you guess my name. Oh, what's puzzling you is the nature of my game. And that's it. You've just learned how to play a simplified version of Sympathy for the Devil. Thank you for tuning in to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. Again, if you like my guitar tutorials and covers, please consider subscribing. I do truly, truly appreciate it. This is part one of a two-part video tutorial featuring this great song. In a couple of days, I'll upload the Acoustic Lounge cover version of Sympathy for the Devil. Until then, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.